Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of turning on continuous upload contacts in Facebook's Account Center. If you want to keep your contacts up to date and easily connect with friends, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Look for the distinctive blue icon with the white F and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Facebook, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the options displayed, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a submenu with various settings and privacy options. Step 4. Tap on Account Center. This is where you can manage your connected accounts and settings. Step 5. Inside Account Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions. This section allows you to control your personal information and privacy settings. Step 6. Next, tap on Upload Contacts. This is where you can upload your contacts to Facebook for better connectivity. Step 7. Select the account and the platform that the account relies on. Choose the appropriate option that matches your account and platform. Step 8. Tap on the option that appears and make sure to allow Facebook to access your contacts. This step is necessary to upload and sync your contacts with Facebook. Step 9. Select your contacts. Choose the contacts you want to upload and synchronize with Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily turn on continuous upload contacts in Facebook's Account Center, ensuring that your contacts remain up to date and easily accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.